Hey guys, it's XR CRF. Today we're going to be fixing a shifting problem on this 79 XR80. Now first off guys, I don't know about you, but these are my favorite body styles in these XR80s and 75s. If you can find one of these things, they're just cool, man. They sit, when you're sitting on them, they feel better. They're great bikes to play around in the yard and stuff. But let me show you what's going on with this one here. This one here, it's right now it's in gear. All right, so if you try to roll it, all right, it's in gear. So the shifter, not doing anything. Spring tension is good, all right, but it's not moving anything inside the transmission. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off. The way that this pipe is here, I got to pull a pipe off. So I got a 17 millimeter here. I got two 10 millimeters here for the exhaust manifold. I got the exhaust flange. Sorry, I got the 10 millimeter here to pull the Kickstarter off. And then I got Phillips head all the way around here, and the side cups don't come off. There's nothing special about it. I'm going to pull that guy off for you guys so you don't waste your time. Let me get this off and show you what's going on. Alright guys, so here's our problem. If you look at the shifter here, the shift mechanism and the spring tension and everything, let me get you in here and I'll show you. Alright, so see it shifting, and it's those two little tabs right there. Alright, right here are supposed to be grabbing the pins that are underneath the shift star. So when this thing moves, nothing's happening. So if you look in here, see that right there? That shouldn't be doing that. That should be always sprung forward. Alright guys, so now that the spring's in place right here, when you shift it, if you watch it, it will spring back like it's supposed to. Alright, that's what you got to do. That's what was wrong with this one. Some of the times this 10 millimeter bolt right here comes loose and the star will spin on the drum, so when you're shifting it, it just doesn't shift it, or it'll come loose and it'll drop outside the roller right here and it'll rest there and it won't work either. So it's pretty easy fix. Don't be afraid to take this cover off. If you do take it off, I would highly recommend that you get a gasket ready, because a lot of times these tear. So I would have one on standby if you take that off. But if you take that off here, make sure you check a couple things, like make sure this spring is working. If your shift lever feels dead, make sure that this spring is on properly. Make sure that spring is on good. Make sure that 10 millimeter bolt is tight, and then that's riding on the roller where it's supposed to. And this is all your shifting mechanism right here that's on the right side of the bike. So it's pretty simple, guys. Just take it apart. You can get to all this stuff without taking your clutch or anything off, or your oil pump or anything. So don't be scared, guys. Just jump in there and get it done. I also had to take the clutch cable off. I forgot to mention that, which was simple. I just pulled it up, pulled it out of this holder, and then took it out of the actuator on the case. So that's it, guys, man. I'm gonna get this thing back together and ride it around, make sure it's all good. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps me out. And share this video. And you stay tuned, guys. Until next time, this is XR CRF.